Who took a bite of my cake? I just bought this.
I don't know, Apple. I'm eating an onion. See? Oh, who did it? I don't know.
Who ate the powdered donuts? Earlier it was 10, now it's just 3.
That's not me.
I hate liars. We have to be honest here. We are only 3, oh. How can I eat that? I'm vegan. Oh, I cannot reach. Oh, it's very hard. See?
Who ate my Jollibee spaghetti?
I was not born to be a thief. But there's a thief in this house. And we will find out who she is.
She?
They or them.
Did you eat my Cheetos?
No, of course not. I did not.
I raised my daughter to be an honest and skinny woman. Divorced.
Who ate my Chipotle?
There's something mysterious happening in this house. I think it's a ghost.
Who ate my PB&J sandwich?
First, Apple, there's a thief. Second, there's a ghost. Now you're hallucinating. Why don't you see a doctor?
What happened to the butter? I just bought this one yesterday. It's already empty.
You know, Apple, please refrain from accusing anybody. Maybe you do it yourself. Chocolate? Oh, I don't like chocolate. It's too fattening for me. I like broccoli.
Who ate this? This is for work.
I don't know what to say, Apple. I'm sorry. But he ate it. He ate fast. I told you, divorce him. He's a liar.
I just bought this today.
I don't know, Apple. I really didn't do it. Scout's honor. I didn't do it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Apple. Blow your candle, Apple.
Oh, I will slice it for you. Do you like the cake, Apple? Huh? It's very nice.
Who took a bite?